What is up, Warrior Nation? We are your hosts, Roberto and
Lucas.
Let's get right into the news! In the news, we have some people in our school that can tell us their wacky jokes.
Alright, so joke of the week, I should say jokes, are why couldn't the bicycle stand up? Because it was too tired. How can you tell if someone is good at taking naps? They can perform them with their eyes shut.
Why couldn't you hear the pterodactyl going to the bathroom? Because the P is silent.
Also in the news, we have a new segment we'd like to bring to you called Caden's Corner.
So you want to know why I'm here? Well, with the quarter ending recently, it was brought to my attention that I need to talk about grades. Welcome to Caden's Corner. So, grades. What we're talking about grades right now is that you gotta keep your grades up because the difference between an A and an F is just like a line. Would you rather have a B plus or an A minus? See, I'd rather go with the B plus because B plus makes it seem like you're doing better. A minus is like you just barely got an A. B plus, good job, fam. See, grades are the difference between a diploma and an oh no, bruh. I mean, you gotta have good grades if you want to get into a good college, and if you get in good college, you get a good job, and if you have a good job, you have a good life, and if you have a good life, you have a good time. So math, you need to know which numbers pair up with which numbers, and that's how you do math. That's how you get a good grade in math. See, science, you need to know the chemicals, equations, and what their ionic bonds are, and that's how you do math. Also, velocity. With social studies, you need to know which president did this when this thing was happening, when this war was happening, and when they died. English, you need to know good words, how to do good speech and grammar. With video productions, you need to make the best video content you can, and that's what we're doing right here for you with the Warrior Word. Cheap plug. So yeah, that's all for Caden's Corner. Check in next time where we'll be talking about requests in the comments.
And here are some upcoming events.
You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. You'll find he is a whiz of a whiz, if ever a whiz there was.
Now we will hop into the weather with Josh and Dalton.
What's up, guys? I think you know the drill by now. This is the weather report, and I'm your host, Joshua Parks. Let's get into it. On Monday, we're going to be seeing highs of 49 degrees, dropping down onto 40 on Wednesday, ending off on Friday with a nice 42 degrees. Now, with these lower temperatures next week, we're going to be seeing a lot more frost on our windshields, so make sure you give yourself some extra time to deal with that. Also, on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be seeing some precipitation. Back to our anchors to introduce the next segment.
Now, let's move on to some highlights from the marble races.
great night of races.
It was great.
We had
Great.
3. The red one just came flying. I'm like,
Scott, how did you feel about the rainy conditions?
you know, Phil, I thought the rain would really affect it, in which it did. There were some fatal crashes here tonight. When you
Lil
agree.
Green really pulled it off that last race.
What was your opinion on that last
It
race?
was Sour Bill.
It was Sour Bill.
He got stuck. Like, he just
Guys, Lil Green really had it.
At 17 subscribers, this is Lucas,
This is Roberto.
signing off.